This is a next level nerdy meme that I wanted to explain.
Bombastic side eye.
Now you might think it's a programming meme, but it's actually a math meme. It's trying to find an A, B, and C that fits this formula. A cubed plus B cubed equals C cubed. This is called Fermat's last theorem and it has no solution. You can't find any A, B, and C that fits this formula. And the origin of this theorem is so funny.
What do you mean funny? Funny how?
This guy named Pierre de Fermat came up with it. He wrote it in the margin of an ancient math book he was reading. He said, oh yeah, I actually have a proof for this, but it's not going to fit in the margin here. It took around 400 years and then a mathematician named Andrew Wiles finally solved it. The proof for it was 130 pages, by the way. So yeah, it wouldn't have fit in the margin. Fermat was right about that. What's funny is that in an episode of The Simpsons, Homer, who's actually a genius, in case you didn't know, writes this on the board.
Funny how? I mean funny like I'm a clown?
This is actually a really smart move by the writers because if you try to test this with a calculator, it's going to be true because the first 10 numbers on the left-hand side would be the same as the right-hand side. But going back to this meme, these are actually instructions on how to build your own heater. Because if you run it on your computer, it's just going to keep running and trying to find a solution that doesn't exist. Here, I wrote it here in Python and I'm going to hit run in 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
I'm kidding. It's just going to run forever. You can look at it here. Hope you enjoyed that. Like and follow for STEM content.